Hi everyone, hi Capricorns, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to, book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. Kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers by subscribing to my channel, and ask your friends, family and relatives members as well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn tarot learning, online tarot learning and numerology, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you have if you want to join numerology and tarot learning online via WhatsApp video call and Zoom video call and Skype video call, the details are given in the description box below. Rest is just subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be thankful to you. If you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details are given in the description box below, Capricorns. Okay, so yes, okay, so many cards. So this is a bonus love reading for you guys. Okay, bonus love reading is because I think there are people who I have selected, only few people out of all for a bonus love reading. Okay, so kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you subscribe, so that there may be a possibility for bonus reading for July as well. Okay, so yeah, apart from monthly reading. Okay, so yeah, this is a reading for mostly for the people who are into relationship, or who are into a relationship but separated, or who are already married but they are facing some issues. Okay, not for singles, or not for the people who are career oriented. Okay, so because this is not a career reading, it's a bonus love reading. Okay, so yeah, one important thing, guys, is that whatever you are going through, okay, I would just like to tell you guys is that you know just be positive during this phase. If you are into a separation, or if you are having some sort of issues in a relationship, okay, be positive, because there are a lot of Mercury retrogrades are playing its role currently. Okay, so I think there will be a lot of issues with the same. Okay, so yeah, okay, let me pull out full all the cards first, and then we'll clarify it. Okay, so universe, what's going on with Knight of Cups? Okay, so you have the Star, the King of Swords. Wow, wow, okay, Justice. Beautiful cards you have, Capricorns. I get all the, wow, 3 of Wands, the last card, and then we'll clarify it further. 9 of Wands. Okay, so Capricorns, you're going through some healing, internal transformation. Okay, you might be dealing with an Aquarius, you might be dealing with Libra, you might be dealing with any of the fire signs, you might be dealing with any of the water signs, you might be dealing with any of the air signs. Okay, so yes, so there is some sort of divine timing is playing its role. You are healing, hoping, believing when it comes to your materialistic world, your stability, your financial independence. Though this is not a reading for it, but the cards are coming like that, that's why I'm telling you. Okay, so yeah, you are believing, hoping, and focusing on your stability of for independence. You want to live an independent single, independent, stable life when it comes to your materialistic and financial world. Okay, now when it comes to this connection, okay, I think right now you're single, because I think your person might be in a separation currently, or you might not be in a conversation currently. Okay, you might not be communicating with your partner. Okay, Capricorns. But yeah, so you are gaining a clarity. You have, in the past, I think there was some issues going on, and I think either you cut off the communication with this person, or the other person, your counterpart, cut it off this communication part with you. Okay, and at the same time you are, you are feeling very nostalgic when it comes to this connection, when it comes to this memories, when it comes to the seeing their photos. Okay, reliving the past memories. So you are, really sad and worried and depressed about this, Three of Cups, whether, but you don't know that there are other two options as well in the front, but you are, just thinking about your past life, past thing, past memories, past photos with this person. Okay, so yeah, and you are really conflicted when it comes to this connection, when it comes to this, you feel conflicted, and you are like, you're really conflicted when it comes to this connection. You sometimes really doesn't understand that what kind of connection is this, like where are we going in this connection. Okay, so you have a, you doesn't get sometimes a mental clarity when it comes to this connection. Okay, but I think, there is some sort of, I think, there are few people who might be dealing with, legal documents when it comes to this connection, though those people might be dealing with divorce issues as well. Okay, when it comes to this connection, and the rest of you who are not dealing with divorce issues, the other part of those Capricorns, they are conflicted and they want justice when it comes to this connection. They want some sort of justice, they want a justice to be served when it comes to this connection. Okay, there are a lot of, fights, conflicts are going on either around you or into your head. Okay, lot of conflicts, fights, is going on. Okay, so you, and I think, you are watching them afar, you are stalking them on social media, you are, seeing their profiles, you are, thinking about them through Instagram, LinkedIn. You are, just thinking where, just waiting for the right time when their ships will be arriving. Okay, or else, you're waiting. And also one more thing, I can also see there are two types of energies I'm picking, so I'm telling you both. So the rest of the Capricorns might be dealing, the other type of Capricorns might be dealing with a third party situation as well. Okay, and there might be conflict and fights going on with this third party situation. Okay, because of this third party situation or in that situation. Okay, now the third party doesn't mean just a person, it might be also a family member as well. Okay, so third party, you can take it however it resonates with you. Okay, yes, and yeah, you want, you are guarded up with this connection, but I think, you sometimes feel that you want to make a move, you want to take an action towards it, but sometimes you feel very restricted, guarded up. Sometimes you feel that this person doesn't want you anymore, and you feel very neglected also. You feel that, they have moved on, but it's not like that, my dear. Okay, yeah, so you feel, very much guarded up when it comes to this connection. Okay, yes, so you are being patient enough, you are going through some internal transformation, internal healing, you are going through some self love, you are, loving yourself, you are taking care of yourself, you're just thinking about yourself. Okay, but yeah, I think, for some of you, there's marriage involved, and I think, the people who are married are into a separation mode, and for others of you, there is a relationship who has a no communication wala thing, and I think, you guys want to reconcile. Okay, there is a card of reconciliation, so a past lover might be entering into your life. Okay, and there might be a reconciliation because it involves a marriage, something long term. Okay, something traditional, and traditional is all about marriage. Okay, and Four of Wands is all about marriage. So we have, four Four of Wands, 11, 11. So marriage card. Okay, so yeah, and this also involves taking a decision. Okay, so your partner might be taking a decision if it's a third party situation, or and also yeah, they'll be ending a cycle with some karmic partner. Okay, and they'll be coming towards you. Yeah, I think there is third party situation wala case is definitely there. Okay, so yeah, they'll be ending a third party situation, and they'll be coming out towards you, because there is Three of Wands, Three of Cups. So definitely there is some sort of third party connection, third party situation. So they will be coming up towards you. They'll be ending a third party situation because they want to a long term commitment with you. When it comes to this connection, you might be dealing with a Sagittarius as well, Capricorns. You might be dealing with a Scorpio. You might be dealing with a fire sign. You might be dealing with a air sign. Okay, so yeah, you are feeling sad, depressed, worried about this connection. You are having sleepless nights, but yes, there is some sort of reconciliation will be happening in the month of June, because there is an ending of a karmic cycle, karmic relationship. Okay, whosoever karmic was there, like karmic cycle can be with your parents, karmic cycle can be with your the other lover. Okay, so karmic cycle can be with friends as well. Okay, so yes, Five of Swords. Okay, so yeah, that person is your partner is moving away from that conflict, confusion, and they want to come towards you, and they'll be taking an action towards you. Okay, they want a long term commitment with this connection. Okay, which is beautiful. So, but you have to be patient enough, because it will take time. Okay, yeah, you have a stuck up energy, but we have long, it's a spiritually guided divine reunion or reconciliation will be taking place. Okay, so the Death and Ten of Cups. Ten of Swords. Okay, so there's ending of a karmic cycle, and establishing and a beginning of a new spiritual, this twin flame connection. Okay, it's a twin flame connection for sure. And this third party situation most probably involves family life. Okay, so the issues are going on with family members, might be parents. Third party situation might be a family involved into this connection, which doesn't want you to get together. Okay, so yeah, I hope. Wow. So yeah, I think you are regaining your power back. You are taking in strength. You are gaining your power, your clarity when it comes to this connection, this person, and yeah, you will be moving towards this person. Okay, and you will be taking an action towards this person, because you want this person actually. From outside you don't tell it, but yeah, from inside deep down you want this connection. Okay, and you will be moving towards this connection, and you will be coming victorious when it comes to this connection. Okay, yes, some sort of victory will be there. Okay. Okay, so yeah, if you are dealing with a third party situation, there are people around you who are talking bad about this connection, or they don't want you to be together. They are suppressing your feelings, they are suppressing your emotions. Okay, or either you yourself, if it's not a third party situation, you yourself are suppressing your emotions when it comes to this connection. But you don't know, suppression is all about ending. Okay, so that is coming to an end. 10 is all about ending. So this suppression is coming to an end. This if you were like you were suppressing your feelings, you were not sharing your feelings to your person, you didn't share it in the past, but now you will be coming out well full, you'll be regaining your strength back, and you will be coming in a full strength. Okay, and yeah, you want to have an emotional connection with this person. Yeah, you want to clarify everything with this person. Okay, so yeah, they are very much playful. That means like very much extrovert and very much enjoyable person. Okay, but yeah, sometimes you feel that you want to fulfill your wishes, but sometimes you feel, if you feel that somewhere that this connection cannot be reconciled, and you are feeling hopeless with the situation, do not panic, because I think there is some, I think, this wish will be fulfilled with you only. Okay, so you have to work hard towards it. Do not worry about it. And if you have some sort of guilt when it comes to this connection, release it, because this is all about divine timing. Divine timing was playing its role. Okay, so do not feel bad about it. Okay, yes, release your guilt. Okay, guilt, and it is all about movement. So move towards this connection, take an action towards moving this connection, because universe wants this connection, and universe wants that two of you to be together. Okay, so 3 healing messages for you. Okay, Capricorns, healing message for fear. When it comes to a problem that makes me anxious, I approach it and do not avoid it. I have an unlimited resources of courage and a spirit within me. Beautiful. The second healing message for society. I can find the resources within me to be flexible, energetic, vital, and assertive. I lovingly go after and get what I need. So the third healing message for healthy, joyous life. Express joy and gratitude in my life with the proper combination of passion and humility. Beautiful. I loved it. So yeah, guys, and yeah, this reading is for the people who are into separation. Okay, or who are in no communication, less or no communication. Okay, because yeah, I think, a physical separation is definitely there, and some of you are also into emotional separation. Okay, and I want you that, there is a hope. Okay, do not lose it, because you have somewhere a hope and you are believing into this connection. It's just that, you are not trusting yourself with this connection. Okay, there's some sort of lack of trust issues in this connection. Okay, obviously if you will get separated, there will be lack of trust issues. Who will trust? Okay, so yes, so do not worry. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this, and kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasoul Tarot Prediction. If you like my reading, that's good. If you don't, then kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Bye, Cap.